Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Adil Shah and today we are gonna unbox and review the two must-have tools for my YouTube studios. Or it could be for yours if you are a content creator. So the first thing we have is the Jmary Desk Mounting Stand. Its model number is 41. And the second we have is the Jmary Extension Stand or the Jmary Extension Arm. Its model number is MT21. I will walk you through what makes these products a game changer for content creators and show you how I use them for overhead shots, product reviews, and more. So let's dive in. So first, let's unbox the Jmary Desk Mounting Stand, and this is how it arrives. Let's see what's inside the box. Wow, we have this stand. This is for mobile, and we have a ball head as well. As soon as I open the box, I can tell you that this is built to last. The stand comes in a compact package and you immediately notice the metal construction, which feels strong and reliable. Inside, we have the main mounting pole, a base clamp, and some easy to follow instructions. The clamp itself is padded and it won't scratch or damage your desk, which is I guess great if you are using a delicate surface. It also has an adjustable screw system to ensure a secure fit. And in the box we have this universal screw, and this is 360 rotatable, and it's good for taking overhead shots. You can untie it and then you can move it to the down position. So we also have a clamp for mobile. You can mount your mobile as well as you can mount the lightning setup on this stand. Now let's talk about the pricing. The MT49 is available for around 3,500 rupees, which is roughly $12. For that price, you are getting a versatile, heavy-duty mounting stand that can handle cameras, lights, or even microphones. Setting this up is super easy. You simply attach the clamp to your desk, tighten it, and adjust the height and the angle to fit your needs. I use this stand for top-down shots, which is perfect for product reviews or unboxings. As you can see, it holds the camera securely in place and it doesn't shake or wobble. This stability is essential when you are shooting high-quality content. So there's one more thing. Let's see if we can extend this arm further. Actually, on the box it's written that the twist lock adjustable. So let's see if we can extend this arm. So yes, and we can lock it here. That's cool. You can even extend the height if you are taking the overhead shots. So I think this product is really amazing, especially the metal they have used, and I'm pretty excited to have that. So next we have is the Jmary Extension Stand or the Extension Arm, and the model number is MT21. So it's time to unbox this little thing. So let's see what's inside the box. Here we go. Right off the bat, this arm is super flexible. The material same as MT49, and inside the box we have this extension arm itself and of course a clamp to attach it to the desk mounting stand, which is super cool. The MT21 adds extra versatility to your setup. It extends the reach of your stand, giving you more flexibility with camera placement, lighting, or microphones. And for the pricing, the extension arm MT21 comes in at 2,500 rupees, which is around $9. It's an affordable addition to your setup that enhances the versatility of your shots. Now let me show you how this arm works with the desk mounting stand. It attaches easily to the M41 stands. From there you can extend the arm and lock into a place. It's perfect for those overhead shots where you need to move the camera around without adjusting the whole stand. See how much flexibility this gives me. With the M21, I can create side angles, low shots, or even high angle product reviews, all with ease. One of the things I love is that it's easy to lock the arm into a place. So once I get my shot, I don't have to worry about camera shifting. After using both of these, I can say they are really great investment for anyone serious about the content creation. The MT49 gives you the rock solid base for your gear, while the M21 adds the much needed flexibility. Whether you are shooting the top-down shots of the product review, unboxing, or just need some different angles, these products will elevate your workflow. If you are looking for a way to take your content to the next level, I highly recommend the Jmary Desk Mounting Stand and the Extension Arm. They are both affordable, reliable, and built to last. As always, if you found this video helpful, comment and subscribe for more reviews and tips. This is Adil Shah. Thanks for watching. Signing off.